years for a car like BumbleBee in the movie Transformers. Ever since my daughter saw that car, she immediately fell in love. So what she doesn't know is I'm about to go pick up that car so her and I can redo it as BumbleBee from the movie, but exactly like it is in the movie. So this video series won't be a short one, and it won't be a quick one. I'm on the way right now with my Ford Excursion to go get it, go to the U-Haul, get the trailer, and get it loaded, and get it back to the house. Alright, after waiting for an hour, I got the trailer, and I'm on the way to go meet the driver to go pick up BumbleBee, aka Beater B. We will see you at the drop zone. Alright y'all, we are here at the Sheets getting gas. I'm still waiting on the driver to get here from New Jersey. And stop. Someone's all fired up back here. But anyhow, once we get the word that we're gonna go head on to the drop zone, we'll be on the way, and I can't wait to show you the Camaro. Alright guys, I got the call. I'm on the way to go get the Beater B. We'll see you there. Y'all, it's here. The car is here. Wait until you see that beautiful car. There it is. There it is. Yes, yes. Heck yeah. There she is, y'all. Oh, look at her. Or him. Look at him. Beautiful. BumbleBee. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Hop out. Looks like we got a exhaust problem hanging down there. Air in the tires. These rear quarters are pretty shot. I gotta get the molding for the glass. We got some bondoage. We got headers down there. Alright, so I had to run to O'Reilly and grab some jumper cables. I really wanted to put a new battery in it, but I want an Optima battery. So once I get the car back to the house, I can get it off the trailer and go get the right battery for it. So we'll see you back at the car, and we're gonna get the old Beater B up on the trailer. Alright, so we got a dead battery. We got it getting some juice. So whoever had it put some work into it. We got a fan down here, electric, new alt, some kind of relay up here, a Holly carb, which will probably end up coming off. But we'll see what we got cooking here. Anyhow, we're gonna get it up on the trailer and get it back to the house. We got him up on the trailer. So, do you want to hear a hilarious thing that I just noticed? Chapel Hill, North Carolina. That's literally an hour for me. So cool. I can barely get in that seat. I hope it goes back. But we got them on the trailer and we are ready to rock and roll. Let's do it. All right, we got them here. Ride went quite good. We're missing a lug nut there, but the car is all here. Trunk, it actually has a lock and a key. I think the rims are worth more than the car, to be honest. Check that out. It used to have a white top. I'm glad they took it off, but I gotta get the back trim here. Looks like some meat got in there and tore up the back seat. We got no speaker covers, but I really want to get a trim. I can't believe the glass is still intact. It has power windows, so it's the LT flavor. We have a windshield with no cracks. The lights are all here. The grill is all here. The inserts are nice. We got some solid fenders here. We got some rough doors, but the guy who I bought it from said that he had some other doors that I think my dad and brother are gonna go get. And yeah, that scoop is gonna be one of the first things to go. I want to keep it as close to the BumbleBee as possible. Zoe, you have no idea that this is coming, and I can't wait for you to see it. Apparently we have some new taillights in the trunk here. I don't know what we got going on here. We got a different rails here and here, but that is so crazy that that has a Chapel Hill sticker on it. Performance, something Chapel Hill. That is crazy. The bumpers are in decent shape. That could be worse. So we got a cool B&M shift in there. The old Camaros steering wheel, we're gonna get a GT grant for it and start doing some work on it once we get back to the house. So it originally had a white top with white seats. So white top, white seats. So anyhow, we're gonna get these. We're gonna get the pig off the trailer, and yeah, we'll go a little bit deeper in it. We'll see you on the next one where we actually go through and clean out the interior. Thank you for coming along for the ride. Hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. We have many more videos coming up with the old BumbleBee replica. Alright, well, we had our first tragedy. The exhaust scraped and came off the car. So now I have one header over there and a muffler over there. Tomorrow night we are going to take all the spare parts out and look in the trunk. So we will see you soon, guys. Stay tuned.